Is your mature makeup failing you? Later on in the day, it's creasing, it's separating. You see a lot of texture. You can really tell that you have large pores. It may not be your foundation. You may not have the right base. Today I'm sharing a 3-step simple drugstore makeup routine that will give you smooth, crease-free, mature makeup. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. If we've not met before, I am 58 and you can find me over on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best, and I get asked all the time, what foundation are you using? I need a new foundation. My number one question that I ask every single time is, are you using a makeup primer? I'm sharing 3 main products with you today. A makeup primer, one of my favorite drugstore foundations. This foundation never lets me down. And an amazing drugstore concealer that is very hydrating and just looks beautiful even on mature skin. But we're going to start with a primer. And I want you to know a primer is not taking the place of your skincare. We still need skincare. So put on your skincare, let it soak in. Put on your SPF, let it soak in. After everything has soaked in, that is when you add a primer. Why do you need a makeup primer? If you have large pores, if you have texture, if you have fine lines, and it just seems like you're adding foundation, it just looks awful. That's what a primer will help with. It will blur all the fine lines. It will blur all the texture. But also, if you've said, you know what, Dawn, I don't have that problem. My issue is I'm putting makeup on and later on in the day, it like practically goes away. That's the other thing that a primer will do. If you've watched any of my other videos before, you know I always put an eye balm underneath my eyes, and I'm going to reference a couple other of my videos. I would love for you to watch those, and I think it'll kind of give you a bigger picture of how I like to create a really smooth, beautiful canvas for our mature skin. Starting with this one right here, this is where I talk all about how to smooth and hydrate this under eye area. Going to apply this primer. This is the Maybelline Poreless Jelly Primer, and this gives you 24-hour hydration. I just squirted all over the place. I'm not using a lot of this. If you want to apply primer all over your face, you absolutely can. I'm going to stick to my problem areas. Around my mouth, around my nose, my 11, my forehead. You do not need a lot of this. And once it's there, kind of leave it alone. I've had people send me messages and they say, I used a primer and then the makeup pilled on my face or kind of came off in like little beads. When I apply my foundation, you're going to see me apply the foundation with a brush because I like a stippling effect with the foundation. That ensures that your skincare stays in place, your SPF stays in place, and your primer stays exactly where you want it. So now this makeup primer is on. You can see it's clear. You cannot detect anything. It's just a beautiful canvas now for this foundation to go on much smoother. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline 24-Hour Skin Tint. This is my favorite foundation, and I will link both of these and the concealer down in the description below this video. This has vitamin C in it, and this is just a terrific skin tint. It does have a dropper on it, but I don't love the dropper, so I usually take it out. Just pick it up with a makeup brush, get all of that foundation in the brush, and you can watch an entire step-by-step foundation tutorial right here where I give a ton of tips on getting a beautiful foundation finish for your mature skin. I like to start right about here and work my way out so it's getting thinner coverage the closer I get to my hairline, because I don't want to have that line of demarcation where it really looks like a mask on my face. So now I just have the primer and the foundation on, and then it is a skin tint, so it's a hair thinner than a foundation, which I love, but it is definitely buildable. It just gives a beautiful, beautiful finish. I get so many compliments when I wear this Maybelline Superstay 24-hour skin tint. Is so good. And in case you're interested, the color I use is 120. Now, I always apply a color corrector before concealer, but it is not going to influence the concealer in any way, because my darkest areas where I apply color corrector are in these areas here. So the bulk of my concealer is going to be underneath my eyes. And at the end of this video, I'm going to link a video for you. I love this video particularly because it is some of my all-time favorite drugstore makeup that I just think looks beautiful on mature skin. And of course, the color corrector is in. Of course, the foundation is in there. So definitely at the end, click on that video if you just want an entire list of drugstore makeup that will look fantastic on your mature skin. The concealer that I'm using is the L'Oreal True Match Radiant Serum Concealer. This has hyaluronic acid in it, but it also has caffeine. Hyaluronic acid helps hydrate your skin, so it helps to hydrate this under eye area. This is a light to medium coverage. I love this so much, and my color is N2. But the caffeine helps if you have puffy under eyes. So this has got a lot going on for it. Fairly new on the market, I think, but it is fantastic. And I usually put this on the back of my hand just like I do the foundation. You get so much more control putting it on the back of your hand. I use so much less foundation putting it on the back of my hand and so much less concealer putting it on the back of my hand. And those are the main areas that I concentrate on with my concealer. I've already color corrected above and in that inner corner. So now I'm using the concealer just to really brighten that under eye area. And I don't tend to go too close to that lash line there. I like to just take my ring finger and use the warmth of my hand to kind of melt that into place up there, because I always want to be real gentle there. Now I've just got a great makeup base here. That primer, the foundation, the concealer just work so well together. They all have skin-loving ingredients in them. Everything's super affordable. Let me finish my makeup and show you what the rest of it looks like. I hope that was helpful. I love these three products. I just think they work so beautifully together to just give you a beautiful makeup base for whatever makeup look you're going to choose for the day. They're all affordable, and you're going to get a beautiful crease-free, smooth makeup look all day long. Now, I have said this before. You know, I have very oily skin. If you ever find that maybe underneath the eyes, you see just a little bit of separating, you know what? It's normal. We have wrinkled skin. Hello, these things happen. Just let the warmth of my ring finger melt all of that back together. I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope you'll like and subscribe. Watch this video next if you want to see a complete list of drugstore makeup that looks beautiful on mature skin. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.